Imagine your liver starts talking to you. Here are the 3 things it's going to say. Or, how do I clean my liver? Welcome to Gut Feelings, the channel to heal your digestion so you have all the vibrant energy you need to manifest your dreams in the world. My name is Peggy Schirmer from peggyschirmer.com, and today's episode is a special one because we are going to have a special guest, and this will be your liver. So I invite you now to imagine your liver starts talking to you, and we're going to look into the 3 things your liver is likely going to say to you. Okay, let's invite our special guest. I see you in a moment. Have fun. See you soon. Bye. Hey you, thanks for listening. I've tried to reach out to you for decades now, so I'm gonna get straight to the point. You know what? I'm in trouble. We are in trouble, and I really need your help. Here are the 3 things I need your help with. First, dude, you gotta make sure things you drink, because I've got so much to do to clean up our body and to clean up this mess. I really need your help to stop drinking the alcohol, But great things is there are nice beverages that you can drink and that almost taste like alcohol, only that we love them, our body loves them. And if you haven't seen that video, very nice video to a red wine alternative, check that out. We love that drink. It's with apple cider vinegar and with red grapes, and it really tastes awesome. Okay, dude, that was the first thing. Really make sure you don't get any drop of alcohol in me. Because whenever you drink alcohol, I can't do anything else. I'm just busy with getting this poison out of our body. It damages the brain, so I have to make sure it doesn't get there. And it literally kills my cells, So thanks, dude, for keeping the alcohol out of our diet. Number 2, I like bitter. I really love bitter, and the more bitter the better. I understand we've got a bit of different taste. You're maybe more into the sweet and salty thing, and I'm more like bitter addicted. And there's this weed which grows like on every meadow, everywhere, just around our house as well. And it has green leaves, green long leaves, and these yellow, bright, long-tailed flowers. It's really bitter if you eat the leaves, and it's called dandelion. And if you could get me like 3 leaves, wipe them off and eat them 3 leaves per day, that would be awesome. That would be already really great help, because it helps me heal my cells and support my colleagues in the digestion department more. I know it's bitter, but if you can just eat 3 leaves per day, that would be great. Dude, and eat the young ones. You want to eat the young ones. They are not as bitter, but bitter enough for me. So 3 leaves, thanks. And as we're talking about the green herbs and the green stuff, I know you might think it's boring, but I'm really fond of this green stuff. So if you could get me some spinach, like really everything that's green, spinach, lettuce, all kinds of herbs like parsley, coriander, of course the wild herbs, the nettles and dandelion, wild rocket and kale. If you could get me some of these, that's my cup of coffee. I'd love to have that, because it contains all the building blocks that I need to do my job well, with the blood cleansing and the detoxing and helping my friend's stomach and the small intestines with the food digesting process, So a big bowl of greens would be awesome per day, like 300 grams. That would make me really happy. And the third thing, I know it's a lot, but I'm not sure if we're gonna have this opportunity to talk again soon. So third thing is about all the fat you eat, dude. So I know fat and salty and fat and sweet is really tasty, but for me it's like such a burden. It makes life so hard. And also for my friends, like pancreas and the stomach and the small intestine and the immune system, we are really working very hard. I wanted to ask you if you could just eat less fat. Just have a look wherever you can reduce your intake of fat, no matter if it's like vegan or animal products, all this kind of nuts and oils and seeds. Try to lower them, because then I can just do my job so much better. I know I've asked a lot of things from you, so first I'd love to have you not drinking any alcohol. Try out Peggy's red wine alternative if that's something you're interested in. You can also share it with your friends. Second, more greens, and the more bitter the better. Try to get in these 3 dandelion leaves and 200-300 grams of additional leaves like spinach, kale, lettuce, wild rocket, stuff like that. And third, please eat less fat, and just at least 50% less, just as long as we're detoxing and getting your system really up to speed. And here's the deal, I know I've asked a lot, but what you will get in return, you're gonna have less bloating, we're gonna have less digestive problems, I'm gonna give you more energy so you don't need the coffee, you're gonna feel better, I'm gonna boost your good feeling hormones, We're gonna all work together in your body to make you feel really, really awesome. And apart from the smooth digestion, no gas, no bloating, no cramps, and having more consistent levels of energy, I'm gonna give you also this mental clarity, and I'm gonna work extra hard to get our metabolism speed up. So every fat cell I find that I can let go of, I'm gonna let that go, and you're gonna become even more attractive and lose the pounds wherever you want to lose them. Before I'm going, there's a really cool video about our favorite cocktail. It's like Christmas 24/7 for us, Jude. So really, really awesome drink. Check that out. Thanks, Jude, for listening. Great to talk to you, and see you soon. Bye bye. Hey guys, it's me again. And did you enjoy your liver talk, having a chat with your liver? I know it's a very, very demanding organ. It also has 500 functions to do in your body. It's your largest internal organ. It's really a workaholic, works 24/7 just to get us going. So great you had that chat. I hope you took something away from that. And please know that whatever is going on for you and whatever you heard your liver said, it's not too late to start improving. You probably have taken already some steps in the right direction, and it's really about compounding these effects. Every step matters. If you stick through it, your body will so much reward you for that, and you're gonna feel awesome in your body and just really re-establish this beautiful relationship with you, knowing that your body is always supporting you, it's always there for you and always does its best, and you really trying to understand more and more what your body needs and respecting that. Keep it one step at a time. Feel free to reach out with your questions, comment down below. Maybe some more additional things will be said from your liver. I'm curious to know them. Maybe you also dream something. Be aware your body is using any chance to communicate with you. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.